Welcome to Baluchi Zone. In this short lesson, I'll explain how to use in, at, into, and on in Baluchi language. To say in Baluchi, we say taha, taha, or you can say ma. The N is silent. So, for example, in Oman would translate as ma Oman or Oman taha, Oman taha. For time, we can use it as in an hour, sahatiye taha, sahatiye taha. Or you can say in the night, shape taha, shape taha, or mashapa. Just to clarify, in Baluchi we use taha or ma for translating sentences with at as well, but ma is more commonly used when it comes to at. For example, I am at home. Man ma luag Man ma luag an. When it comes to placing something into or motioning forward or inside, we can again use taha or tuaka, taha or tuaka, as in the water. Ape taha, ape taha, ape tuaka, ape tuaka. In the cup, kuape tuaka or kuape taha. To say on, we say sara, sara, or you can also use chaka, but sara is more common. On the water, ape sara, ape sara, or you can say ape chaka, ape chaka. On the mountain, kuehe sara, kuehe sara, or kuehe chaka, kuehe chaka. At this point, it is worth mentioning sara or chaka also means on top of in Baluchi. So whatever you can be on top of, you can use sara or chaka.